Mhm. Those fillable forms? Yeah. Available in a lot of different government websites. Oh, could you get me those and the IP addresses that have been filling those? Yeah. When you can fill a form reporting fraud. Yeah. hmm And no one feels any compulsion to actually have to enforce the laws. Yeah. I start to think that they need to go to prison. Yeah. Now, I have sent approximately 3 million emails. I've made 25, 30,000 videos. Yes. And I informed law enforcement that it is an actual violating of the laws of the United States. Yes. To use any forgery or any fraud when issuing any sort of government document. Now, yesterday I got to looking at how to disqualify a justice judge or magistrate judge. And these disqualifications, I really thought, yeah, that there is what is known as accessory to, complicit in, and then there's not just misprisioning of felony or treason. There's different types of acts of omission. Yes. Now it says here in number 455, yes, of the United States Code, any justice in any Supreme Court of any state, judge, yeah, of any district or superior court, or any magistrate of any city or county, of the United States shall disqualify themselves in any proceeding in which his partiality, impartiality might reasonably be questioned. Yes. Now, I'm a little concerned about Brent because I was talking to you about the religious freedom and my conscience and how you cannot violate, yes, the guarantees of religion. Mhm. And I said, well, I'm going to sue you for being a Mormon. Right now. That's what I said. Mhm. Now, it could have been, yes, that Brent needed to disqualify himself because he couldn't be impartial when it had something to do with myself or my family. Yes. Now, let's say July 8th, 2011, Brent decides to issue a protection order. Yes. Where I'm in jail on Guam. Oh. And then he reissues it, and then Judge Ken Williams issues a 1 year permanent protection order. Yes. Based upon an arrest that took place on Guam. Now, I didn't get any due process. Yes, there was no notice or opportunity to be heard before issuing the protection order. Yeah, and serving me on Guam did not protect any of my due process rights. It didn't. Now, my sons have been kidnapped for 8 years. Yes, and this county doesn't seem to understand what impartiality might reasonably be questioned. Yeah. Now, I've never appeared in court in a civil proceeding, yes, involving the dissolution of marriage or the protection order. Right. Because you never served right now. Now, there must be some partiality. Somebody doesn't like my religion. Yes. Somebody wanted to use the excuse of domestic violence and child abuse for kidnapping and child abduction. Yeah. Someone is not impartial. Now, do we know of any employees of this county, Jefferson County, or the state of Washington, that don't seem to understand that for any justice, judge, or magistrate to have any knowledge, yes, of any judge sitting on the bench to continue to be employed means that I can sue them right now. Now, I'm going to take down every judge in the United States.